Hey everybody, thanks for joining the video. It's Toby Kilgore with Accurate Inspections. Want to do a little quick video on new construction home inspections. I get some questions sometimes about, why would a new home need to be inspected if it's brand new? Obviously there can be defective products that are built into the house. Plumbing products, electrical products can be defective. Garage door openers, all kinds of different things. But you can also have bad workmanship. So just because something's new doesn't mean that it's going to be perfect. So it's always a good idea to get it inspected, even in this crazy market right now where everything's selling. There's 20 buyers for every house. It's better to find a problem sooner than later. Always a lot less expensive when it comes to home maintenance when you find a problem earlier than letting it fester, sit around, and potentially cost a lot more, thousands of dollars more. So let's walk around and I'll show you a few things here in this new house. All right, so one of the things I want to show you real quick, it's kind of becoming common with new construction. You can see that pipe right there for the dryer. This is a little laundry room. Let's see, we've got the plumbing outlets over here. Dryer goes here, electrical outlet for the dryer. So this pipe goes through the attic, through the roof, and vents up above the roof. Typically, older homes, most homes have them going laterally, out through the side wall of the house. When they go vertically or 10 feet or more, they're going to need a lot more cleaning and maintenance. So, I don't really have a problem with this. It's not like I'm going to tell my customer that they need to repair or replace this, but it's a maintenance note. A lot of home fires are started from, dryer lint and this, that kind of situation. So you want to do everything you can to avoid that. So, this kind of home, that's going to take more maintenance because that pipe goes all the way through the roof, through the attic, and goes straight up. So just one thing that to look out for. All right, so we walked here into the garage. You can see the garage door. You can see some hurricane shutters there laying on the floor. Water heater over here. You can see this plastic pipe, hot for red, or red for hot, blue for cold. Blue is the inlet. The plumbing code states that you're not supposed to use this pipe within 18 inches of the inlet or the outlet. So the first 18 inches from the outlet, from the very first part here, 18 inches up should be copper, flex copper, or some other kind of approved material, but not PEX. PEX is not approved for use within the first 18 inches of the water heater. So that's something I would want to get fixed. All right, so if we walk down from the kitchen, down the hallway here, we see the air handler closet. Open this up and we can see that the ceiling up there is OSB paneling, which is kind of similar to plywood paneling. It's a little cheaper. It's a decent product. One issue is that I have with it is, one of the issues is when it gets wet, it just really disintegrates. So over time, because there's no insulation here with this panel, there's about a half a dozen issues with the reason why this doesn't meet the Florida building code. One of them is there's no vapor barrier provided by OSB wood paneling. It doesn't meet the minimum insulation value for an interior finished product according to Chapter 7 of the Florida building code. So typically what happens here is these pipes get cool in the summer and the attic is really hot and humid. Over time, I've seen these get, really wet, and anytime you have a persistent wet issue, typically it's going to get moldy. So if this was a house that I was buying brand new construction, I'd be really frustrated that they use this real cheap OSB wood paneling as a finished product. Finished product meaning, this is inside the house, even though it's a closet, still inside the house. So that is not built according to the Florida building code. It's also a fire hazard according to the National Fire Protection Association. A mechanical closet, which is, anytime you have a air conditioner, heater, furnace inside a closet, they call it a mechanical closet. So got this circuit breaker right here, all this wiring. If there's any kind of short up here, wouldn't take much to get this panel to start on fire. So one issue that I would definitely want to get fixed.